Hi there, students. To embed, to fix something firmly into something else. For example, if you want to make a fence, you're going to need posts. So what you do is you dig a hole in the ground, you put the post in the ground, and then you embed the post in concrete. Okay, so there's concrete all around it. It's fixed firmly into the concrete. Or maybe you could find fossils that are embedded in limestone. So it's inside something. It's inside a matrix, for example. I'm sure you've probably seen this word to embed or embedded in internet. For example, you can embed a video in another page or on a website. You could embed a sound or an image or a file on your website. Okay, so to embed as well. It's part of the whole thing. It's part of the bed. Let's see, a bed, a river bed, a flower bed. Okay, so we use this word bed to mean a layer of something, yeah, on which something rests, or it's a deep layer of something in bed. So it's part of this layer, and that's the idea. You can then use this metaphorically as well. This is a prejudice that is deeply embedded in our society. It's strongly fixed within the framework of our society. Okay, for example, people are trying to reduce discrimination or differentiation of the sexes, but there are many things that are already deeply embedded in our society that maintain these ideas. Okay, so to embed, to fix firmly in something else. Or, for example, you could find a piece of poetry that has certain values or ideas embedded within it. So it's ingrained, it's inside it. I think in linguistics you could have a phrase or a clause that is embedded inside another sentence. Yeah, it's inside. I don't know, for example, my friend, who is a very happy person, is going on holiday next week. Who is a very happy person, this is embedded in the sentence. You can also use this word to embed in the design of computers. Maybe you have a microprocessor that is embedded in the motherboard. It's an integral part of the system, and you can't actually change it. And believe it or not as well, there's a military use of this word to embed, to assign a reporter to a specific military unit during a conflict. So a CNN reporter has been embedded with this Ukrainian brigade, for example. Okay, but to embed, to firmly put or firmly fix something deeply within a surrounding mass. Yeah, you've got things all around it. I think the most important thing to think about is this post, which has concrete all around it. So the post is in a bed of solid concrete. It's embedded. Okay, so what about formality, to embed? I think I would probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I think probably informally I would just say fix. Yeah. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from bed, yeah, to embed, to put in a bed, to put in a layer, to have something fixed all around it. And this word bed comes from Proto-Germanic badja, meaning a bed in itself. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Embed.